Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Enlightened Lives. So today I'll be sharing multimedia lesson plan of social science. The topic and the chapter is Inside Our Earth. And I'll be sharing how you can make your multimedia lesson plan and how you are supposed to teach by using this presentation. So in multimedia lesson plans, basically you need to make some PPTs or slides or whatever PDF, something that you can show to students. So this is what we call multimedia lesson plan. So I have made this lesson plan for social science class 6. So in the beginning, in the very first slide, we add general objectives. So this is the general objective for this chapter, that is to acquaint with the surrounding, to help students to acquire knowledge of great physical changes in environment, to acquaint children with geographical conditions, to adjust with one's environment. Then we have specific objectives. So specific objectives are related to the particular chapter that you are about to teach. So knowledge, understanding, applying skills. On the basis of these four aspects, you make specific objectives. Then we'll start our lesson. So in the very beginning of the lesson, we have set induction. In this, you ask some questions from there to check students' previous knowledge. So if I start teaching this, then I will begin this from, have you ever wondered what is there inside our earth? So they will respond accordingly. So then you will explain. So earth, just like an onion, the earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. Then you will explain what are what is interior of the earth, what are the layers. Then the interior of the earth looks like this: the mantle, outer core, inner core. You will explain all your chapter using this PPT. You can add pictures, you can add videos, you can add voice, anything that you like. Then you will explain this one by one: what is crust, continental crust, oceanic crust, the types of crust. Then we have mantle, core. Then you will explain about rocks, and all these are subtopics of the chapter Inside Our Earth. Then there are three major types of rocks, and to explain these major types of rocks, I have added a video which I have downloaded from the YouTube. So you can add the video in your presentation too. That would be very interesting. So this is my video.
You know what, guys?
In this video, explanation related to three types of rocks is given in very detail. Then I have added this slide that are uses of rocks, rock cycle. You will explain the rock cycle using this picture. Then at the end you add the slide what we call recapitulation. So in this you basically revise what you have studied in that particular period. So today we have studied about various types of rocks and rock cycle. In order to recapitulate, some questions will be asked. So you will ask So you will ask some questions related to that particular chapter. So I have taught about the layers of earth. Then I will ask what are the three layers of earth. Then you can add slides like this which will reinforce students. Name three types of rocks. Then you can add these slides. Then at the end you give homework related to that particular chapter. So I have add this, draw the structure of earth and label it. What is the uppermost layer of earth? What is metamorphic rock? Then at the end you add reference slide. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and best of luck. And the PDF or the presentation, the PPT is available on our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box, so you can download it from there. Thank you.